Imagine a world where chickens and eggs are not only part of the farm, but also at the heart of the economy. In this world, each hen represents a source of income, while each egg symbolizes money. Let's begin our journey into this fascinating financial universe. You have 3 hens, each one lays 1 egg a day, and those eggs are all you have to eat. Every day you have 3 eggs, but one day you decide you want to make a cake with 10 eggs. What a problem. You don't have enough eggs, but there's a nearby farm that offers you 10 eggs today if you return 12 in the future. You decide to accept. You enjoy the cake, but then realize that you must return the borrowed eggs each week, which means you will have fewer eggs to eat. Meanwhile, your neighbor, who also has 3 hens, decides to save his eggs for the future. Soon he has more eggs and can even buy another hen. So, we learn that it is important to make smart financial decisions to make sure we have enough eggs for our long-term needs and wants. So it's worth considering our possibilities, and if you want to keep learning, here's another video and my channel. Thank you very much for being here.